Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Quick Compare. Today let's start our quick comparison between Malinga, Bumrah, Stark and Bolt. Full name: Lasith Malinga, Jasprit Singh Bumrah, Mitchell Aaron Stark, Trent Alexander Bolt. Malinga was born on 4th September 1983 in Gal City, Sri Lanka. Bumrah was born on 6th December 1993 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Stark was born on 30th Jan 1990 in Balcombe Hills, Sydney. Bolt was born on 22nd July 1989 in Rotorua City, New Zealand. Malinga 37 years old, Bumrah 27 years old, Stark 31 years old, Bolt 31 years old. Malinga height 173 cm 5.7 feet, Bumrah height 175 cm 5.9 feet, Stark height 196 cm 6.6 feet, Bolt height 180 cm 5.11 feet. Malinga fast bowler for Sri Lankan cricket team, Bumrah fast bowler for Indian cricket team, Stark fast bowler for Australian cricket team, Bolt fast bowler for New Zealand cricket team. Malinga right hand bat and right arm fast bowler, Bumrah right hand bat and right arm fast bowler, Stark left hand bat and left arm fast bowler, Bolt right hand bat and left arm fast bowler. Malinga's fastest ball 155.7 km per hour, Bumrah's fastest ball 153.26 km per hour, Stark fastest ball 160.4 km per hour, Bolt fastest ball 146.6 km per hour. Malinga's jersey number 99, Bumrah's jersey number 93, Stark jersey number 56, Bolt jersey number 18. Facebook followers: Malinga 2.8 million, Bumrah 8.4 million, Stark 2.1 million and Bolt has 711k Facebook followers. Instagram followers: Bumrah 8.3 million, Stark 596k followers and Bolt has 649k Instagram followers. Twitter followers: Bumrah 4 million followers and Bolt has 104k Twitter followers. IPL salary: Malinga 2 crore rupees per season, Bumrah 7 crore rupees per season, Stark 5 crore rupees per season, Bolt 3.2 crore rupees per season. Test career comparison: Malinga's debut in 2004 vs Australia, Bumrah's debut in 2018 vs South Africa, Stark's debut in 2011 vs New Zealand, Bolt's debut in 2011 vs Australia. Malinga played 59 innings, Bumrah played 37 innings, Stark played 117 innings, Bolt played 135 innings. Malinga bowled 868 overs and had 112 maiden overs. Bumrah bowled 679 overs and had 158 maiden overs. Stark bowled 2095 overs and had 387 maiden overs. Bolt bowled 2636 overs and had 597 maiden overs. Malinga given 3349 runs, Bumrah given 1835 runs, Stark given 7031 runs, Bolt given 7875 runs. Malinga taken 101 wickets, Bumrah taken 83 wickets, Stark taken 255 wickets, Bolt taken 81 wickets. Malinga's economy 3.85, Bumrah's economy 2.69, Stark's economy 3.35, Bolt's economy 2.98. Best in Test career: Malinga 5 for 50 against India, Bumrah 6 for 27 against West Indies, Stark 6 for 50 against Sri Lanka, Bolt 6 for 30 against Sri Lanka. Malinga's average 33.15, Bumrah's average 22.11, Stark's average 27.57, Bolt's average 28.02. Malinga's strike rate 51.57, Bumrah's strike rate 49.10, Stark's strike rate 49.31, Bolt's strike rate 56.29. Malinga taken 3 wickets for 8 times, Bumrah taken 3 wickets for 10 times, Stark taken 3 wickets for 17 times, Bolt taken 3 wickets for 24 times. Malinga taken 5 wickets for 3 times, Bumrah taken 5 wickets for 5 times, Stark taken 5 wickets for 13 times, Bolt taken 5 wickets for 8 times. Malinga 2 times man of the match, Bumrah 1 time man of the match, Stark 3 times man of the match, Bolt 2 times man of the match. One day career comparison: Malinga's debut in 2004 vs UAE, Bumrah's debut in 2016 vs Australia, Stark's debut in 2010 vs India, Bolt's debut in 2012 vs West Indies. Malinga played 220 innings, Bumrah played 67 innings, Stark played 96 innings, Bolt played 93 innings. Malinga bowled 1822 overs and had 103 maiden overs. Bumrah bowled 587 overs and had 39 maiden overs. Stark bowled 822 overs and had 39 maiden overs. Bolt bowled 852 overs and had 59 maiden overs. Malinga given 9760 runs, Bumrah given 2736 runs, Stark given 4263 runs, Bolt given 4261 runs. Malinga taken 338 wickets, Bumrah taken 108 wickets, Stark taken 184 wickets, Bolt taken 169 wickets. Malinga's economy 5.35, Bumrah's economy 4.66, Stark's economy 5.18, Bolt's economy 4.99. Best in one-day career, Malinga 6 for 38 against Kenya, Bumrah 5 for 27 against Sri Lanka, Stark 6 for 28 against New Zealand, Bolt 7 for 34 against West Indies. Malinga's average 28.87, Bumrah's average 25.33, Stark's average 23.17, Bolt's average 25.21. Malinga strike rate 32.35, Bumrah strike rate 32.62, Stark strike rate 26.83, Bolt strike rate 30.27. Malinga taken 3 wickets for 26 times, Bumrah taken 3 wickets for 6 times, Stark taken 3 wickets for 8 times, Bolt taken 3 wickets for 9 times. Malinga taken 5 wickets for 8 times, Bumrah taken 5 wickets for 1 time, Stark taken 5 wickets for 7 times, Bolt taken 5 wickets for 5 times. Malinga 7 times man of the match, Bumrah 3 times man of the match, Stark 6 times man of the match, Bolt 8 times man of the match. T20I career comparison. Malinga's debut in 2006 versus England, Bumrah's debut in 2016 versus Australia, Stark's debut in 2012 versus Pakistan, Bolt's debut in 2013 versus England. Malinga played 83 innings, Bumrah played 49 innings, Stark played 35 innings, Bolt played 34 innings. Malinga bowled 299 overs and had 1 maiden over, Bumrah bowled 179 overs and had 7 maiden overs, Stark bowled 131 overs and had 1 maiden over, Bolt bowled 125 overs and had 1 maiden over. Malinga given 2,225 runs, Bumrah given 1,195 runs, Stark given 911 runs, Bolt given 1,074 runs. Malinga taken 107 wickets, Bumrah taken 59 wickets, Stark taken 47 wickets, Bolt taken 46 wickets. Malinga's economy 7.42, Bumrah's economy 6.67, Stark's economy 6.95, Bolt's economy 8.53. Best in T20I career, Malinga 5 for 6 against New Zealand, Bumrah 3 for 11 against Zimbabwe, Stark 3 for 11 against Pakistan, Bolt 4 for 34 against India. Malinga's average 20.79, Bumrah's average 20.25, Stark's average 19.38, Bolt's average 23.34. Malinga's strike rate 16.81, Bumrah's strike rate 18.22, Stark's strike rate 16.72, Bolt's strike rate 16.41. Malinga taken 3 wickets for 9 times, Bumrah taken 3 wickets for 5 times, Stark taken 3 wickets for 5 times, Bolt taken 3 wickets for 3 times. Malinga alone taken 5 wickets for 2 times. Malinga 3 times man of the match, Bumrah 3 times man of the match, Stark 2 times man of the match, Bolt 1 time man of the match. World Cup career comparison. Malinga played 28 innings, Bumrah played 9 innings, Stark played 18 innings, Bolt played 19 innings. Malinga bowled 232 overs and had 11 maiden overs, Bumrah bowled 84 overs and had 9 maiden overs, Stark bowled 156 overs and had 8 maiden overs, Bolt bowled 184 overs and had 18 maiden overs. Malinga given 1289 runs, Bumrah given 371 runs, Stark given 726 runs, Bolt given 850 runs. Malinga taken 56 wickets, Bumrah taken 18 wickets, Stark taken 49 wickets, Bolt taken 39 wickets. Best in World Cup career, Malinga 6 for 38 against Kenya, Bumrah 4 for 55 against Bangladesh, Stark 6 for 28 against New Zealand, Bolt 5 for 27 against Australia. Malinga's economy 5.51, Bumrah's economy 4.41, Stark's economy 4.64, Bolt's economy 4.61. IPL career comparison. Malinga's debut in April 2009, Bumrah's debut in April 2013, Stark's debut in April 2014, Bolt's debut in April 2015. Malinga played 122 innings, Bumrah played 99 innings, Stark played 27 innings, Bolt played 55 innings. Malinga bowled 471 overs and had 8 maiden overs, Bumrah bowled 375 overs and had 5 maiden overs, Stark bowled 96 overs and had 1 maiden over, Bolt bowled 211 overs and had 4 maiden overs. Malinga given 3,365 runs, Bumrah given 2,779 runs, Stark given 693 runs, Bolt given 1,800 runs. Malinga taken 170 wickets, Bumrah taken 115 wickets, Stark taken 34 wickets, Bolt taken 71 wickets. Malinga's economy 7.34, Bumrah's economy 7.41, Stark's economy 7.17, Bolt's economy 8.52. Best in IPL career, Malinga 5 for 13 against Chennai Super Kings, Bumrah 4 for 14 against Delhi Capitals, Stark 4 for 15 against Punjab Kings, Bolt 4 for 18 against Chennai Super Kings. Malinga's average 19.79, Bumrah's average 24.17, Stark's average 20.38, Bolt's average 25.35. Malinga's strike rate 16.62, Bumrah's strike rate 19.60, Stark's strike rate 17.06, Bolt's strike rate 17.84. Malinga taken 3 wickets for 12 times, Bumrah taken 3 wickets for 12 times, Stark taken 3 wickets for 3 times, Bolt taken 3 wickets for 3 times. Malinga alone taken 5 wickets for 1 time. Malinga 6 times man of the match, Bumrah 6 times man of the match, Stark 1-time man of the match, Bolt 4 times man of the match. Thanks for watching Quick Compare. Please subscribe for more videos. Have a good day.